love this soda. This is my favorite bubblegum flavored soda. If you guys want to give this a try, you can have the one right in my hand, but I'll leave a link in the description. I had no idea that Video Express AI can make me drink this nasty ass soda right here. But let me show you how I made this video step by step. Let's get into it. Real quick, to create a video like that inside of Video Express AI, just go over to Smart Edits, go to Reference Photo, go to Images. Pick an image of yourself. Where is an image of me? Let me find it. Right here. Bam. Here I go. All right, reference photo number 2. Go over to this soda. I just found this on Google, right? And I say in a prompt, sorry, what did I say create? See, I got automatic enhance my image prompt automatically set. What I forgot to do is change this to landscape. So let me change it to landscape real fast after it's finished generating. All right, now I'm gonna regenerate it again. This time I'm gonna do, automatic. It pretty much filled in the context. So I'm going to generate image, and I'm gonna let it generate. That was pretty fast. I like that. What I didn't want to do is actually keep this on human. I wanted to keep my same style, my art style from my original image here. If I went on to others, like I'm maintained by style, but as you can see, it turned me into a regular human being, which I like myself as a human being now that I see myself as a human being. What do you guys think? Should I convert myself into a human being, or should I continue to stay my consistent self right here? Let me know in the comments which one you guys like better. But it's that simple, right? So now, oh fuck, this is what you don't want to do. Let's go back. So now, I didn't save it. See how you can mess that up? So let me go back and do it again, real fast. Let me find myself again. See, I was pretty much joking with you guys so much, having so much fun, that I forgot to save it. Let me go back down again, do it again. Choose this soda. All right, 16:9, generate. See? All right, I got a human, so I'm going to do the human one for the sake of this video. And I did actually like the 9:16. That looked pretty good too. So again, make sure you guys save the images here, because if you leave out a head, this frame right here, you're going to lose your image. So this is real time. I'm just going to let it go and generate, show you how fast it generates these images here. All right, let me go take a look at that. I like that. Okay, I'm going to save this here. I can save both of them because as you can see, it creates 2 images at a time and both images look fine. The lighting is a little better in this one here. Just save it. All right, I don't need to do anything else. Let me go on now to close this out and go over to create video from prompt. Go to use from library and you're gonna find your images inside of my AI images. These I did save. Okay, this was previous. This was previous right here. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to pick this one here. All right, I'm going to go to lip sync HD video, create video. So now I'm going to give myself a line. So what I'm going to say, I love this soda. This is my favorite bubblegum flavored soda. If you guys want to give this a try, you can have this can in my hand. So as you can see, it exceeds the character limit. So I got to reduce it to less than 100 characters. All right, so I'm going to go ahead, reduce the characters. This woman holding the soda can and talking. All right, and then go hit generate. All right, it's that simple. Now what? Go close this out. Let me go to expand it here and then go down to my AI video. And this is the previous ones that I've actually created, just playing around with the software. Right, this is one right here.
But let me show you how I made this video step by step.
So we noticed that it doesn't have my audio in it. So once it's generated, I'm going to show you how I actually fix an audio. Right? Click the video, go down to voice changer, choose sample voice, and upload your sample voice right here. So I don't have any sample voices here. Let me see. Is it this one? All right, so in this video, okay, yeah, so this is my sample voice right here. We'll pick my sample voice, choose, and then apply. Then I just actually cloned my voice on top of this video right there that didn't have the correct audio. All right, but let me show you how I made this video step by step. Let's get into it. All right, close that out and then go back to media library. Expand my AI videos, and this is the final result right here for the one I just actually cloned. But let me show you how I made for the one I just did a voice clone on. This video, step by step. All right, so the other one is finished. It's the one I just created.
I love this soda. This is my favorite bubblegum flavored soda if you guys want to give this a try.
All right, I'm going to add to that scene right there. Go ahead, redesign. Everything is checked off like I want it to be. 16:9, create video. All right, let me delete this. You can have the one right in my hand, but I'll leave a link in the description. All right, that's the voice text right there that I just used. I don't have to explain that. Gonna hit generate, and that came out pretty good. Came out better than the other ones. Let me go ahead back to AI videos here. These was pretty good. You can't tell me that these are not good. All right, so Okay, so let me go to this one.
I love this soda.
So the same thing I did to here, go to voice changer, pick my sample voice audio again. This is me right here. I don't have to make sure. I know this is me now. All right, we'll choose apply. I love this soda. This is my favorite bubblegum flavored soda. If you guys want to give this a try. All right, so I just did it again. All right, I just did this one. This one I just did. So I can actually delete the ones I don't want. But let me show you how I make. Oh, not that one.
Love
Here it
this
is.
soda.
So this was the original one. I could delete this because I just did a voiceover, a voice clone for this one. And after this one is finished right here, this is going to be my second scene. I'm going to do the voice clone for this one right here too. And I'm going to have my final scene. It's going to be that simple. So when it comes down to UGC content or any kind of content that you guys want to create, this is a powerful tool right here. So I'm going to leave a link in the description for this software right here. I do earn a small commission for anybody that signs up through my affiliate link at no additional cost to you. This does help support the channel. And if this is the kind of content you guys like to watch, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.